Okay, this is the continuation of JSON objects. Actually, how we can modify the JSON object values. In the previous example, we are accessing the nested objects, and here the objects is the JSON variable is my object. The variable which consists the value my object consists certain key value pairs, and the key cars contain again key value pairs, that is again subjects. And for modifying, I need to access, for example, I need to modify the car2 value, that is BMW, to another. Then I need to access car2. By accessing car2, then only I can modify its value. So for accessing that object or accessing that, I am using again dot notation. That means in my example it is my object, then cars, that is another key that is inside my object, and this cars consist of several other means instead of values there are several nested objects are there. So that I am accessing for car2. In earlier example, the value of car2 is BMW. I need to change it to Mercedes Benz. So by using this dot operation, I am accessing up to car2, then equal to which value I need to modify. That means instead of BMW, I need to give Mercedes. So I am giving that overwrite value, that is Mercedes, here. So by running this syntax, my previous BMW will be changed to Mercedes. So instead of BMW, now I am accessing this car2 value, then it comes to Mercedes. Then another one method of accessing value is using this square bracket. That means by using again accessing the car2, that means car2 is the nested object, that by using square bracket. So by getting this square bracket, I am getting the value BMW, and I need to give the Mercedes here, then its value will be BMW will be changed to Mercedes. So here by using square bracket also we can access. Okay, then I need to delete the value. So for deleting I am using delete key. Then again, where or which value I need to delete, I need to access up to that. If I need to delete car2, then I need to access car2. So for accessing car2, I am using my object, then cars, then car2. Then this car2 will be, value will be delete. Then the next one is arrays in JSON objects. Actually, array means it consists of different values, or it consists of more than one values. Okay, for getting or for giving an array, we have already known that by using square bracket we can give array values. Inside the square bracket, the values consist are represented as an array. Here my object equal to name, this is object, this is another one, and this is called arrays. This is array, that is cars consist of values for BMW Fiat. This is actually an array. That means this car consists of an array, and the values of array are for BMW and Fiat. Okay, this is actually an array, that is in JSON object. This cars object, that is JSON object cars, consists of an array. Okay, then how we can access this array object? For accessing this array objects value, I am using again for accessing array or accessing objects. We are using dot operator. Okay, again the same, we are using dot operator. That this is my object, this is another one, this is second one, then this is array. So three key value pairs are there, and the third key value pair consists of an array. So my object is the first object, value, that is not value, that is variable my object, and my object dot, if I am using name, then name value will be there. So I need to get which array. So array is cars, so I am using car. And in the square bracket, for accessing the value, I am using we can use square bracket or dot operator. Both cases here. This is square bracket for accessing the value. This is dot. I am using here it is array, so I am using square bracket. And this square bracket, inside the square bracket, I need to specify which position or which variable. This is the 0th one, so I am getting 4. This is the first one, it is BMW. This is the second one, Fiat. So by giving the position, that is position value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, then I am getting the position value. That means if I am giving 0, then I am getting 4. If I am giving 2, I am getting Fiat. Like that, I am accessing the array objects. This is for actually getting only one value from the array. If I need to get the all values in an array, so I am using a for loop. That means for accessing this all value one by one. That is the content of an array. I need to display the content of an array. So there I am using for loop. That is looping. For here, for I in my object dot cast, that means it represents stop I my object dot cast. That means it point to my object dot cast. This is the position. Okay, showing the position my object dot cast. This one. That is consists of for this object it is pointing. Then I is the variable for repeating. That is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Okay. Then here x is the variable which stores my object dot cast square bracket I. That means the ith value will be stored to x. If the ith value is 0, then it stores which one? 4. If the ith value is 1, it shows x, shows BMW. If the ith value is 2, it shows V. So the x variable value will be changed by this for loop. By that, I am getting all the array values by x. So by using this type of expression, I am getting all the elements in an array. Okay, I think now you will be clear by this first one. And the second one is for displaying, this is for getting the ith value. And the second one is for getting by using for loop, for getting all the values. And this is also we are using the same what we are using in the programming. For I is equal to 0, that means starting from 0, I less than my object dot cast dot length. What is the length of this cast object? This is actually the length. What will be 3? Okay, 0 1 2. Actually length is 3. So that 3 will be here. I less than 3, then I plus plus, that is 0 to 2. That way I am getting all the objects here. That means this is for getting all the values. That is cause I what is I? 0 0. What the value of our 0th position value will be on the x. Then next I incremented, then it comes to 1. Then I less than 3. Okay, it is 3. Then what is the value of ith value? That is value of 1. What is the value there? That will be displayed on the x or assigning to x. Then 2. Next is I plus plus 2. Then it is less than 3. Then 2. What is the value? On the position cast second position, that will be assigned to x. Like that, all the variables or all the values will be displayed. Next is for modifying array value. For modifying arrays value, I need to give the position. That is my object dot cast. The position is 1. What is the first position? That value will be changed to merciless. That means in the position of first position, that is what is the first position here? It is BMW. So this position will be changed to what will be merciless. That means BMW is changed to asterisk. If I need to delete the position or any array value, then I need to give the keyword delete my object dot cast which position I need to specify. It is first position, so I need to specify the first position. That position will be deleted, or that position value is deleted. Okay, this is from the JSON array.